to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well and enjoying the videos. If you guys are looking for more videos and updates like this, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to configure policy on FortiGate Firewall, but that policy is going to be scheduled based policy. Okay, we are going to configure a policy on FortiGate Firewall that is going to be time related. Okay, how we can allow a particular user for a particular time frame and how we can deny that particular user for another time frame, that we are going to see in this particular lab with the help of this topology. Let me just tell you about this topology and scheduled based policy as well, why we need scheduled based policy. So consider like you can see there is two users, test one user who is using WinLAN 1 and test 2 user who is using WinLAN 2. Consider test 1 user working hour is 9 to 5 p.m. Okay, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. IST. After that, nobody is touching this particular PC, but still we do have internet access on that particular PC. Similarly, test 2 user is working in UK hour and that is going to be 1 p.m. IST to 10 p.m. IST, and nobody is touching this particular PC after test 2 user working hours, and still we do have internet access in that particular test WinLAN 2 PC. So what can be happen during off hour, might be some attackers can attack or some hackers can hack and nobody is going to notice in that particular time frame because that is a like off hour. Nobody is working on that particular PC, no, nothing is happening, still we do have internet connection. So what we can do, for test user 1 we can allow WinLAN 1 PC for 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. that is working hour for test user 1, and we can deny this particular PC for internet access during off hour after the test user 1 working time. Similarly, we can do the same for test user 2 as well. You can consider another scenario why we need schedule based policy. We do if we have enterprise network, we may do have multiple servers and we need to patch that particular servers. We need a security patching on that particular servers regularly, but we can't allow internet on that particular servers for 24 into 7. So we can allow internet on that particular servers for a particular time frame. We can do a security patching and then we can after that particular time frame we can deny internet on that particular server. So these are some of the scenario where we can use schedule based policy. Let me move on the lab part. In lab, what I am going to do, I am going to allow WinLAN 1 PC for a particular time frame, and let's see, is it going to work, like is it working in that particular time frame and it is not working outside that particular time frame or not. Like, are we able to achieve that particular task or not? So what we are going to do, see, currently it's 9:48 and today is Wednesday, August 20. So let me do one thing. I am already on firewall GUI. Let me just log in. Okay, we are inside the firewall. Before configuring the policy, let me just tell you, we need some pre-configurations on our firewall. What interface configuration, that we already have DNS configuration, we do have NAT, we are going to use policy NAT inside the policy, and routing we already do have. Okay, so we are just concentrating on policy part, and that is going to be related to scheduled base. Okay, let me show you one more thing. To create a policy, we already discussed about this. You have to visit to policy and object section. There is policy, firewall policy section. Just click on that and you will get a create new policy option. See, there is only one policy, which is implicit deny, which is going to deny each and everything. If you want to create a new policy, you have to click on create new. So let me go on that particular section. I just clicked on create new. What I am going to do, I am going to allow this particular WinLAN 1 PC. Okay, let me just open a duplicate of this particular firewall session, and you can see here we can see the current time. So what is the current time? It's 9:50:26. What I am going to do to create a scheduled based policy, there is a section. Let me just show you. This is the section, schedule section. Currently it's always. So what we can do, we can create a schedule or a schedule object from here itself, or there is a another option. In left side, you can go to the schedule, click on that particular schedule option, just create a new schedule, and what we need, just click on if you need a schedule group, you can create a schedule group. If you need a particular schedule, you can create a particular schedule. But I am not going to create from here because we are going to do a testing for this particular lab for 1 or 2 minutes. And if we are going to create that particular schedule from here, it might be like we might get late, or we can't see all the things in 1 or 2 minutes. So let me do one thing. I'll create that particular schedule object directly from here. So let me create a rule, and in that particular rule we are allowing this particular PC towards internet. So let me go on that particular where it is, yeah, here, and it is going to be LAN 1 to internet. And what will be incoming interface? So that is going to be Zone LAN, because we do have LAN 1 and LAN 2 both. And in this case, what will be our incoming? It's going to be port 2, that is going to be part of our zone LAN. What will be our outgoing interface? That is going to be management WAN. We are going to allow for all particular sources. We are going to allow for all particular destinations, and we are going to allow for all particular services. Now, the main thing we are focusing on, that is going to be schedule. So here, if you are going to drag down, there is an option to create. Just click on that and you will get multiple things: one time schedule, recurring schedule, or schedule group. Let me just tell you about this. If you are going to create a schedule object, that like one time schedule, it is going to allow a rule for that particular time only, and it is never going to be appear or allow once again after that time. But if you are going to allow a recurring schedule, that recurring schedule means every Monday I need internet access from 1 a.m. to 2 a.m. something like that. It is going to appear on every Monday. Let me just show you the option. If you I am going to click on recurring one time, see, it's showing from what particular time to what particular time you want to allow. That's it. It is not asking for which particular day or what. But if we are going to select recurring option, see, we have multiple things here. What, for which particular day you want to allow, for which particular time you want to allow. That means if that particular day, if I am allowing a rule for Monday, if Monday is coming, and if it is going to match that particular time, it is going to allow that particular rule for that particular time. So we are going to do the same. What we are going to do, currently it's 9:54. Let me just re-verify from here. It's 9:54:27. Huh. Let me just tell you one more thing. You have to set up your date and time as per your local time zone, or as per your system, because we are doing this particular lab inside our local system. So this should be matched with our local system, then only it is going to work, otherwise it will get fail. Okay, so let me just go for the time. What is the current time? It's 9:54. So what we are going to do, currently it's almost 9:55. We are going to create a task or create a policy in which we are going to allow this particular PC, that could be like, let me allow that particular PC from 957 to 958. Okay, let's do that. 9, you can give any name, 57 to 958 LAN PC 1. Okay, and what is the today's date? It's like Wednesday, right? See, it's Wednesday. And what for what particular time we are allowing? So it is going to be 9:57 a.m. to 9:59 a.m. and just click OK. I created one particular scheduled, and let me do one thing. Let me just all sessions, and before doing OK, let me just start a continuous ping 8.8.8.8, and I clicked OK. See, still it is 9:56. If we are going to see here, it's 9:56:42 second. And if we are going to see, still we are getting request timeout. Let me do one thing. Let me just, yeah, let me just refresh. 9:58, 50, see, 9:57. And what was our like time? See, we are already getting response for that particular ping. We are doing a like global DNS ping, and we are getting response for that. And what is this particular time? It's 9:57:16. Let me just show you where was our scheduled. If we are going in that particular, or let me just move here on schedule section. See, this is our scheduled time, right? And this is for what is our start time 9:57 and what is our end time 9:59. So during that time, see, we are getting response. And what is the current time? If we are going to see, the current time is 9:50, like 57:48, 57 minute 48 second. It is not going to work after 9:59. That is our schedule time. See, you can see here, right? So let's wait for that. And what we can do, we can like, in the meantime, let me just tell you one more thing. In schedule section, if you are going to create, you can like group multiple things as well. Okay, like if I want to create a group with all three, these particular 9:57:58 plan PC1 always and default drag optimizer, that is going to be our schedule group that we can create. And for schedule we can create simply a recurring or one time, and that is going to be for any particular time. You can change the color as well to like look it better. You can just like select for all day. It is going to allow for all day, but right now we are just performing from 9:57 to 9:58, sorry, 9:59. It's already 9:59. Let me just check the timing, current timing, what it is. Yeah, we are on 9:59:16 seconds. So let's see if it is working or not. See, we are getting request timeout. So I believe it's already clear how we can create a scheduled based policy. You guys can create for test user 2 in the similar way. And let me just tell you, we allowed this particular PC only, not test 2 users. So let me just show you. We will not get any particular ping or anything on test 2. Yeah, let me just ping global DNS 8.8.8.8. See, we are getting request timeout. And on LAN PC1 as well, we are getting request timeout because the scheduled time has been already passed, and After that particular time, this PC is not allowed for internet access. So I believe how we can create scheduled based security policy that is clear to you. We'll meet soon with new topic. Till the time, thank you. See you soon.